What is going on, guys and girls? It's your boy Life from Merc. Sorry, I took a little while to upload. Again, been kind of busy. Also, I forgot to actually make my videos. There's supposed to be like 3 videos coming, but they're only going to be 2 now. So guys and girls, let's get into it. So this video is going to be pretty short. I just want to call out a trade right here. Um, this is a trade that happened because I called this out, and I'm actually going to include a screenshot for you guys to see it on screen because I actually called out this trade. So yeah, so just to give you guys a little understanding of how this works to teach you guys some lessons. By the way, none of this is financial advice, right? Every video I post is for educational purposes only. And by the way, we have some type of dip and replay where we get to dip right at the 45. We pull up, we break high day, we broke high day again, and then we pull back and consolidate it for a big move. And even a bigger move because it actually came up over here. But let's go ahead and get into it. So on the daily, what I saw this pattern right here forming. And when it got to about right here in this area, right, where this trend line broke right here, and it got back over VWAP, I started to see on the daily that, the 1 minute chart, that there was a cup and handle forming. Right here is a cup and handle right here in this area right here. Now, I'm going to include a screenshot so that you can see how it actually looked when it was forming. But right here was a good buy signal because it started coming back up. It got over the VWAP. It shot right here and it pulled back, right? Because it has a pullback with a cup and handle. And we're sitting over VWAP, right? Bouncing off of VWAP. Broke that trend line, right? After all of this bearish consolidation right here, broke that trend line, bounced off VWAP, and shot up from right here, I think at about around 0.62-ish is where I alerted this at. And it moved all the way up to 0.75. That's a decent gain for a stock that's under $1. It's not the best trade in the world, but pretty good trade, enough room to make profit, right? Now I called this trade out, and I'm gonna start recording videos live as they go so you guys can see. So when I can call this stuff out, you can see it happen, right? I'm not just reviewing trades that already happened for you guys. So my next few videos, I'm actually gonna start doing that with almost all of my videos. I'm gonna show live charts and live trades so you guys can see this. But this is a cup and handle. This is why I have to study these chart patterns, because the cup and handle and the bull flag, like I said, the bull flag pattern is the best, the best single pattern for beginners, literally. There was actually a bull flag I was supposed to make a video, but I took too long, so I couldn't make the video. But with that being said, let's put the chart on screen, right? So now here's a chart, right, on screen. So if you look at this chart right here, you can see that I called out this before it happened. This is a screenshot from my phone that I took from the Webull app, and you can see that I called this out a perfect entry and the 62 area for you to take a position. So yes, guys, I'm not just reviewing these trades after they happen. I know when to get in and when to get out. So with that being said, that's that. I called this out, and I'm going to actually do this with more trades, but I'm actually going to basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you live charts as this is going, and I'm going to just say, okay, I take a position right here. Um, for me, this is the type of position I will get in, right? Get in the position, and then, 15, 20, 30 minutes later, record again and update you guys on what it's looking like so that I can show you live trades, live charts, so you can see these stocks move and you can see what they're doing. And you can see that I'm not just reviewing these trades after they happen. I know when to get in and when to get out. I do make these videos for educational purposes only, and I make them so people can learn and understand day trading, and I can help people that are struggling. So that's it for today's video, guys. This is a cup and handle pattern, a nice chart that I saw. Um, so yeah, guys and girls, you also got the higher lows right here, right? All of these are higher lows, and you got higher highs, right? Another higher high, another higher high, another higher high. Plus you got that trend line to break, bounce off VWAP, perfect cup and handle. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more. It's your boy Life of Merc. I'm out.